Students, welcome to 35th maths class. This is my 35th video, right? Let us continue solving the same type of problems using properties. Alright, so look at the board, students. I have taken a question on the board. Solving this question by using direct expansion is quite tough. Expanding, multiplication takes so much time. It's a 2-mark question. But if I think of properties, you will get answer in 1 or 2 steps. Look at the students. C1 plus C2. C1 plus C2. X plus A, Y plus B, Z plus C. We have same column, third column. So if 2 columns are same, again its value is 0. Tell me operation to be taken. Solution. C1 plus C2. This is C1. C1. This is C1. Column 1 elements. C2. C1 plus C2. Don't get confusions. Column 1 elements are called C1 elements. Column 2 elements are called C2 elements. C1 plus C2. That is X plus A. So I am getting. Where should I write it? In C1. X plus A, Y plus B, Z plus C. C1 plus C2. Write the remaining columns as it is. A, B, C, X plus A, Y plus B, Z plus C. Observe, students, first column, third column same. Same means its value is 0. Right, it is 0 because first and third columns are same. That's why properties, if the properties are learned very well, you feel this determinant chapter as so easy. Without properties, you find this chapter as so difficult. Keep that in mind. Let us go for solving it. One more question. Let us solve one more question, students. So write it. So evaluate. So write 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 65, 75, 86. Evaluate. You try to remember this problem, students. This is star problem. You put star for this. Without remembering, without practicing it, so you cannot solve. You find it difficult to solve in the annual exam because you won't get that into your mind immediately. Right? Practice this question very well. So right. Why I made you to put star means you always do by hand this operation. C1 plus 9C2. If I operate C1 plus 9C2, surely I am going to get third column. This operation operate third column bರುತ್ತೆ. Third column, first column same value 0, right? So look at this. C1 multiply C2, column 2 by 9. Hard that to first column. Column 2 ge 9 multiply ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ first column ಗೆ hard ಮಾಡಿ. 9 multiply 9 7s are 63. 9 7s are 63. 63 plus 2 plus 7. 65. I am getting that. ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. 65. 9 8s are 72. 72 plus 3 75. Next 9 9s are 81. 81 plus 5 86. I am getting. So the only thing you people have to do is by heading this operation for this particular problem. So otherwise trying, if you go for trying in exam, trying takes so much time. It wastes your time. So you need to remember this operation to solve this particular problem. Students, write the second column as it is. 7, 8, 9, 65, 75, 86. Two columns are same. Its value is 0. So reason is C1 and C3 are same. C1 and C3 are same. That's all for 2 marks. Right. Next question. Let us solve one more question. Let us solve one more question. So write evaluate A minus B, B minus C, C minus A, B minus C, C minus A minus B, C minus A minus B, B minus C. Right. Observe the students. It's also a 2 mark question. So if you think of, if you are thinking of expanding this, it is not an easy task. Observe the terms inside. The terms inside are, so they are very difficult. So don't go for expanding this. Simply you take R1. Blindly you take this operation. R1 plus solution. R1 plus R2 plus R3. Blindly for this determinant you take this operation. Let me see what happens. R1, this is R1, 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 R2, 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 R3, 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 R1 plus R2 plus R3, R1 plus R2 plus R3, A minus B plus R2 means B minus C plus R3 means C minus A. C get cancelled, B, A. How much is that? 0. I am getting 0. I should write in R1. R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is R1, 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 R2, R2, R2. This is R3, R3, R3. If you have doubt, you write like that and go for adding that. Now, R1 plus R2 plus R3, minus C plus C get cancelled, minus A plus A get cancelled, minus B plus B. So I am getting 0. R1 plus R2 plus R3, minus A plus A, minus B plus B, plus C minus C, 0. Write the remaining rows as it is. B minus C, C minus A minus B, C minus A minus B, B minus C. Look at this determinant, students. All the elements of first row are 0. That is 0 and anything 0, 0 and anything 0, 0 and anything 0. What is the value of this determinant? 0. 0 and anything 0, 0 and anything 0, 0 and anything is 0. So you observe this. On applying property, how easily I am getting the answers. That means learning properties is so important. Now, so look at this, friends. Let's move on to one more question. So prove that one, 1, BC, CA, AB, A into B plus C, B into C plus A, C into A plus B is equal to 0. Observe, students, you take LHS of that. LHS. I am taking LHS. First you complete this multiplication. First you complete these multiplications. So we will get 1, 1, 1 BC, CA, AB. Multiply by A into B, AB plus A into C, AC. B into C, BC plus B into A, BA. C into A, CA plus C into B, CB. One thing, when I observe, if I observe this determinant carefully, So what it comes to my mind, what it is coming to my mind is I should take C2 plus C3. Why should I take C2 plus C3 means C2, 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 C3, C3, C3. You observe that C2 plus C3, AB plus BC plus CA. Next, AB plus BC plus CA. Next, AB plus BC plus CA. C2 plus C3. You go for taking C2 plus C3, right? Okay. 1, 1, 1. Look at this. Which, right? I should change C2. So new column is C2. C2 is changing. C2 plus C3. AP plus BC plus C2, C3. C2 plus C3. AB plus BC plus CA. That is AB plus BC plus CA. Again, C2, C3, C2 plus C3, AB plus BC plus CA, AB plus BC plus CA. Again, AB plus BC plus CA. Write the third column as it is. AB plus AC, BC plus BA, CA plus CB. So what is the use of getting this one means observe this determinant students clearly. In second column we have a common. What is common from second column? AB plus BC plus CA. Second column in second column we have a common. You remove that common and put it outside. After putting the common outside, first column, second column becomes identical. That is 1, 1, 1. Here also 1, 1, 1. Identical means 0, right? So remove that. Do that. Tell me common from second column. What is common from second column? AB plus BC plus A. Observe the second column carefully. So right. Put that common outside. AB plus BC plus CA. So remaining 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. CA. 1, 1, 1. Here 1, 1, 1. Next. AB plus AC. BC plus BA. Next. CA plus CB. Observe this. Two columns are identical. Means its value is 0. So that is AB plus BC plus CA into 0 is equal to 0 because C1 and C2 are same. This is according to the property. So now let's go for solving 4 more questions, students. Now I am going to explain. So let us solve one more question at the same time. So prove that. Let us solve one more question. Prove that. That is x plus y plus z plus x, y, 1, 1, 1 is equal to 0. Yes. You only try this, students. It's 2 mark question. So easy question. Look at this. I take LHS of this. LHS. It's so easy question, students. You observe the rows carefully. I go for R1. Every element of first row is called as R1. Second row elements R2. If I go for R1 plus R2, I am getting a common element. That is x plus y plus z. After removing common, 2 rows becomes same. 2 rows becomes same means its value is 0. So tell me operation R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2, right? R1 plus R2. R1, 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 R2, R2, R2. R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2. X plus Y plus Z. X plus Y plus Z. R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2. R1, R1, R1. R2, R2, R2. R1 plus R2. Y plus Z plus X is same as X plus Y plus Z. X plus Y plus Z. Next, R1 plus R2, X plus Y plus Z, X plus Y plus Z. Write the remaining as it is. Z, X, Y, 1, 1, 1. Put that common outside. Put that common outside. You put that common outside. Right. Tell me common. X plus Y plus Z common. So remaining is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Next Z, X, Y, 1, 1, 1. Look at two rows are same. Two rows only means 0. That is X plus Y plus Z into 0 is equal to 0. Because R1 and R2 are same. I hope you understood, students. Now I am going to explain 4 mark questions. 4 mark questions. So for your annual exam, from this chapter, surely they are going to ask this 4 mark question. That too, that 4 mark question will be asked in that last main. Last main means that is 6-4 question. 10 mark question. In that they are going to ask one 4 mark question. You must have to learn these questions. Let us go for type 1. Type 1 questions. 4 mark questions. Type 1. Look at the students. If the given answers are, if answers are 4ABC or 4A square, B square, C square, or 1 plus AP plus BC plus CA, or 1 plus A plus B plus C, or 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. Whenever this type of answers are seen, whenever you see this type of answers, you expand the given determinant directly, you will get the answer and you will get 4 marks. Need not to take much risk. Observe, for these answers, the simple method is expanding the determinant directly. For these answers, simple method is expanding the determinant directly. Let us solve one question. Observe this. So observe this. Let us solve one question on this type 1. Type 1. Let us solve one question. Prove that. So prove that B plus C, A, B, C plus A, B, C, A plus B is equal to 4ABC. Okay. Observe, students, clearly this question is having the answer as 4ABC. Simply we expand it, you will get the answer as well as 4 marks. It's so easy. You take LHS of that LHS. Carefully expand. Let me cross check the question. Right. Okay. B plus C into product of these two. C plus A into A plus B minus B into C, BC minus A into. You know expanding the determinant very well. Second column, first row. B into A plus B minus B into C, BC plus A into BC minus C into C plus A. Right. Simplify this carefully. You will get the answer. That is B plus C. First multiply these two. C into A, AC, plus B into C, BC, plus A into A square, plus A into B, AB, minus BC. Next, minus A into, multiply these two, A into B, AB, plus B square, minus BC. Next, multiply this, plus A, BC, minus C into C square, minus AC, AC. Now, lastly, here BC get cancels, right? I take B and multiply to these terms. Multiply B plus C and this quantity. Multiply B plus C and this one. I take B into AC, ABC, B into A square B into AB square. Now I take C plus C into AC square, C into A square C, plus C into ABC. Multiply by minus A square B, minus AB square, minus into minus plus ABC. Lastly, plus A into BC, ABC. Plus into minus AC square, plus into minus A square C. Observe this carefully, students. All the terms get cancelled except ABC. A square B, here we have minus A square B, AB square minus AB square, AC square minus AC square, A square C. Count ABCs. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4 ABC RHS. Students, you may be feeling determinant as so easy, but without practicing you cannot learn that. We shall meet in the next video. Thank you students.